oil.
Telling you, this is the way it is. It's something you've never done before, but it isn't bad. Machines handle it good. Everybody good? You good? Just know one thing, if you guys get through this trail, everything else we do today will probably seem like a breeze. No, well, it's not rutted, but when I left here, this was graded out nice and smooth. It was nothing, but I rode up and down this in 5 minutes. So it was really nice. Now it's not that way again now. Yep. Side by sides are a lot more stable, and they're made for mountains more. Right, yeah, you might be right. That was my other fear, was that nobody had any experience in it, you know what I mean? But we'd have gone the other trail, hopefully. How's it going back there? Wish I could talk to Isabella. Alright, well, that's alright. I know. We got one crappy spot coming up here that's kind of icky, so well, you'll see when it gets muddy and a little steep, but we'll just take it's clay, yeah. All right, one at a time. Or you can follow, but remember, keep her to gas all the way up. Just remember, as you're going up, no stopping on the hill, if at all possible. You should be a four-wheel. I just leaving mine at four. No, this isn't it. It's on the going down the other side. Coming. I can't see you guys now, so just keep coming all the way up. I'm gonna try to wait for you up here on the top. I just don't want anybody to get stuck here. You all good? Okay, well, how about your sister? Come right up beside me, Nicole. Megan. How you doing, Nicole? Alright. We're gonna keep going then. Now, down around this corner is where it gets a little bit shitty, so just take your time. It is, I know. Just let your motor do the braking, okay? If you let off the gas, it should pretty much walk you down nice and slow. No, you will find no riding like this where we were. Yeah, I got a side-by-sides on the bottom coming at us, so yeah, well, they might not know, so I think they see us coming. I hope. This is where it gets tricky, so we got to go left, and then we're going down this way. Yep. How you doing? I was hoping you saw us coming down.
Yeah.
I got 4 machines. This is about the worst of it though, girls, so. He ain't gonna make that hill, nope. Try to go park up there for right now. What are you guys gonna try to do? You think you're not gonna make that hill?
One more time. We're gonna give her a hill.
Park off to the side, up there. This section is pretty wicked right here. It's really the only really bad spot between here and Royal Blue, but
I know, we're almost there. You think you guys can help us winching up there? We have to.
I can sure try to do what I can.
Let me see how far you go.
Problem is maybe you should go up and take a look at that hill. You know the hill?
Yeah, we've been here. I know it's bad.
Get me up to that flat spot, winch run.
You gotta.
It's winching broken half.
Well, the problem with going that way, which isn't, I came down that way before. I don't know. We can shut them off, girls. Boy,
First thing this morning.
what do you got broke?
Went across the creek and
Yeah.
Flooded out. I know that's where we started, and I worried about that little machine getting across there. He flooded out. That's why he didn't make her.
Yep. And
Dude.
I kept saying I didn't want to go across, and he went across, and I was like,
Yeah.
man, I don't know, man.
I went across at this one, and I'm just like, yeah.
my air breather says kind of low
Low.
on that.
Same with that one.
And
See,
I
I
knew
think
it.
there's a lot of trees here. She's gonna make me go win. I all went to the curve.
I got a couple long winch cables. We can maybe get some extensions on it and work your way up a little bit.
Man.
How well have you been pulling? Has it been pulling pretty easy?
Yeah, he pulled us all the way from that creek here.
We broke the
So
table.
he didn't want to go back.
I got a
across the
regular strap. You want a strap? You guys are heading to Royal Blue. Just drop it on the Ford F-150 or 350 sitting there with the ATV deck. Just set it on top of there when you get back.
Okay.
You camping there?
Yeah.
Oh, we are too.
We're at the
I'm here
pond.
for a week,
We're
so
at number 4 at the pond.
we're in 23, which is
Okay.
up behind the showers up there.
Yeah.
So
Are we all the way down at the bottom, Chigo?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do, man? I'm gonna try to get a ride.
You want to go check it out real quick, or?
Well, let me get you up the way I can. We'll tie you up to a tree. That's all we can do.
yeah, you're probably right. Go ahead. Well, I'll stick around with you for a couple minutes to see if I can give you a hand. I can't guarantee nothing, but I won't leave you sitting either. Yeah, they had a toad that died right away when they crossed that creek. Come on, make it so I don't have to play with them. Make it, make it, make it, make it. Make it, make it. Come on, make it. Come on, make it, baby, make it. Oh, he should have stayed the other way. No, gonna have to lock him off. Winch it to one of these trees.
Yeah, I don't know how far my winch should go out.
Hey, will you, one of you girls, actually Isabella, there's a strap. Hey, before you, Megan, in mine, I have a cable. It's a winch cable. Grab it and bring it up to me. I'm not walking back down there and then.
If you can get it take off now.
I get that flat spot there, buddy.
It is, and then you'll be able to get a straight shot. But there's a rut right on the curve where everybody's coming down the other way. Come on, catch grip, catch grip. You find it, Meg? The rope looking thing. Yep. There a hook on the end of that, Meg? Grab the yellow strap, too. Bring it all. Yeah. Yeah, that's your workout for the day. We got communicators on our helmets. That's why I keep hacking between all of us. Yeah, I know. Take your time. I know, that's why. Get them to go together? There you go. Meg, tell me when it's good. Come out of the way, get out of the way so straps break. Get. Is he gonna hit it? Go ahead. Keep coming. right, we made it up here, girls.
It seems like it does all right. Got that damn automatic. First day I bought it, clunk, clunk. I took it back. Oh, that's how they shell. Kind of scared the shit out, you know?
Yeah.
But it's on a 5-year warranty, I mean.
That's what I loved. I took the 3-year with this thing, so fuck them. Beat them up. They say, I don't care what you do. If you drown them, bring them back.
I mean, the first service hit 90 miles. The guy, I know he comes here. We're from Illinois.
I live in I'm from Milwaukee.
Milwaukee? We're by Springfield, Illinois or something. Huh?
Oh, keep that. Keep that. Well, you got another fucking shot here yet. You keep that. You're camping down there, boss? We'll come down. You know, I don't want your money.
Come on, man.
I don't, dude, I just don't leave nobody else sitting.
No, I don't.
We're going to borrow your toast.
Yep.
Yeah, we're number 4, buddy.
We're 23.
23.
Yeah,
Or, yeah, 23.
we
Up on
ain't
the top.
out of the woods yet. But
Yeah, you're not. Yeah, but at least it's downhill.
Yeah.
So,
That training
my
leads
brakes
to
went
weird
out
noise.
earlier. We was coming down, the brakes went out. They got hot, so.
She gonna back up a little bit. I started giving it hell. He jumped.
once you got over that little fucking humpy thunk, that was what was killing us.
Yeah, I didn't see that run till I got halfway up. I was like, oh shoot, I should have turned the wheels.
It's all right.
Where you guys from?
Yeah, we got to help each other out, right?
Yeah, where you guys from?
Oh, Milwaukee, up in Wisconsin.
Oh, boy, I go snowmobiling.
Oh, yeah? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep.
I appreciate it, buddy.
Yep. All right, you ready? I'll take you back down. Oh, all right, good idea. Yeah. I'm sure we'll see you down there. We're gonna keep our scrap. Yeah, they're in 4. Remember that. We'll see you. 23. What is it, Meg? Yeah, I think it's a... All right, Meg, let's head her down. Where'd you get a picture?
Want a picture of us?
What's that?
Want a picture of us with the two back there?
Yeah.
Can I take it?
Perfect thing.
We got to get one selfie here.